This is the video installation manual for the Cozeware DIY Mini Split AC system. Before you start, prepare these tools: a vacuum pump, wrench, level, screwdriver, and drill. Part 1. Indoor unit installation. Step 1. Choose and install location for the indoor handler. You need to find an area with good air circulation and convenient drainage. You'll also want to decide where you want the outdoor condenser for it. You'll need to meet the spatial requirements shown here. Also, you'll want a space that has good air circulation and has firm and solid ground beneath. Step 2. Attach mounting plate to wall. Use the supplied cardboard template to mark the areas where the mounting plate, including the positions of all screws and the areas where holes will be drilled in the wall, and the position where the mounting plate is screwed into the wall. Use a leveler to make sure the unit will be properly placed. Then remove the screw that attaches the mounting plate to the back of the indoor air handler. You'll take the plate and, using the mark from the template as your guide, screw them into the wall with the supplied screws and ensure that the mounting plate is level and correctly positioned. Step 3. Drill wall hole for connected piping using a core drill with a 2.5-inch diameter. Drill a hole in the wall at a slight downward angle with the marks from the cardboard template as a guide. Step 4. Connect the indoor unit wires. Take out the cable with 4 terminals on both ends, pass the wire through the back of the indoor unit, unscrew the cover plate of the indoor unit wiring area and remove it. Connect the wire terminals to the corresponding ports. Don't forget the screws and cover plate from the beginning. Step 5. Connect the indoor unit pipes. Use your hands to slowly unwind the piping on one end of the DIY line set. Only unwind as much as necessary for your application and allow any excess to remain coiled. Align the refrigerant pipes with the indoor unit. Remove the caps and hand tighten the first threads. Use a wrench to secure the connection. Don't over-tighten. Check the manual for torque specs. If you have a torque wrench, connect the drain hose to the air conditioner outlet and secure it with tape. Step 6. Wrap them with air conditioner insulation tape. At the beginning, wrap all the pipes and wires together. When the drain hose has an appropriate remaining length, stop wrapping it and continue wrapping the other 3. As you approach the end, wrap one pipe individually, then do the same for the other. Finally, use tape to secure the split ends. If you have any questions about this part, please refer to the product manual. Step 7. Install the indoor unit onto the wall. First, pass the wrapped pipes and wires through the hole in the wall, then hang the indoor unit onto the mounting plate on the wall. Make sure the unit is securely mounted. Install the provided round plastic cover on the wall hole to keep it neat and tidy, and pack the wall with the supplied neoprene. Then you have successfully completed the installation of the indoor unit. Part 2. Outdoor unit installation. Step 1. Place your outdoor condenser at the location picked during Part 1. Carefully place the outdoor unit. Place the provided black pads under the 4 corners of the outdoor unit. Step 2. Connect the refrigerant pipes to the outdoor unit. Unscrew the screws at the bottom of the outdoor unit and remove the cover plate. Loosen these nuts with a wrench, so you can easily unscrew them by hand. Connect the 2 refrigerant pipes from the indoor unit to the corresponding ports and tighten them with a wrench. Step 3. Pull a vacuum. Use a vacuum pump to remove the air from the pipes, creating a vacuum inside. Unscrew the plastic nut on the side. Connect the vacuum pump to this port. At the initial state, the gauge needle is at the 0 mark. Turn on the vacuum pump. Open the valve on the vacuum pump. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. You will see the gauge needle reach the -1 mark, indicating the vacuum is complete. Open the valve on the vacuum pump. Quickly disconnect the vacuum pump from the indoor unit. Use the provided hex wrench to turn the outdoor unit valve to open it. Step 4. Checking for leaks. Apply soapy water to the pipe connections and valves. No bubbles mean there's no leak. Bubbles indicate a leak. Tighten the connection. If it still leaks, check the electrical and gas leak section in the manual. Step 5. Don't forget to tighten the previous nut back into its original position. Step 6. Connect the drain hose securely. Locate the drain outlet at the bottom of the outdoor unit. Attach the provided drain adapter and hose. Part 3. Electrical connections. Step 1. Check your manual before doing any electrical work. Make sure the wiring meets local and national codes and is installed by a licensed electrician. Step 2. Connecting the outdoor condenser. Remove the wiring cover by unscrewing it from the outdoor condenser. Pull the threaded end of the cable through the hole and replace the nut onto the cable. Firmly and securely connect the wires of the cable to the appropriate terminals of the outdoor condenser by screwing the U-lug connector of each wire to the correct terminal. Then reinstall the wiring cover part. Part 4. Test Run. Stick the AC remote on the wall. Your couch cushions will finally get a break from hiding it. So far, everything is installed. You can find this checklist in the user manual. Use the checklist to inspect the installed equipment. Once everything checks out, you can start enjoying your cool air. Enjoying comfort from your Cozeware system for years to come. If you have any issues, please contact our customer service team.